Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ala amma ba'du. Okay guys, come back with me again with Lintang from TKJ class. Now I will explain you about the mikrotik roots. Simply, I will tell you about user management system at mikrotik. So, where we can find the users, can find it at system, then choose tab users. In here there is the name of the user, the group of the user, then the address, and the last let's log it in. The name is, there is the one user that's come from the default or from the router. The name is admin and the group is full. So before we go to the configuration, I will explain to you about what is the user management. So user management is a user that can doing configuration at the router, or maybe we can say it as the administrator who control the router and give configuration and many else. Also, the group of the user manager is, there is three groups. The first one is full, the second is read, and the second is write, and the last is read. What is the full group? Full means is just like a super admin. He can do anything at the router. He can doing some configuration. He can add some users, and he can do anything with the router. Next to the second group, or the named by write group. This user only can doing configuration with the router, but the right user can add another users. So the user only can doing configuration at the router, just that. Next to the last is read user. The read user only can see the configuration, or can only monitoring the router. So he cannot do configuration. Also, he cannot add another user at the router system. So now on, there is the first user management with the full group. It means the user his name is admin. He can do anything at the router. So how we gonna make our own users? First, select the first steps, go to the system, then choose the users tab. Then there is a add button or plus. Then you can make your own name for your user. For example, I'm gonna use IDN. Then the group, we can choose full, read, or write. For example, first we use full mode, full. Then we create a password. The password is, you can use anything to your password. For example, in this change I will use 1, 2, and 3. Confirm the password. 1, 2, 3. Then push apply button. Then OK. See, there is the users named by IDN with the full group. Is for the full group. Next, plus, We called it, but we give name TKJ. Then we give this user TKJ user give the right group. The right group is only can do in configuration without can edit another users. Only can configure. For example, the password is 456. 456. Then apply. Okay. So now there is the user named by TKJ with the group right. The last, add again. For example, give him name RPL. Then choose the group read, and the password is 789. 789. Then apply. Okay. Also there is the RPL user with the read group. So it's so simple. The user is clear. But if you want make your own group to give to make your accessibility by yourself, it means you have to make your own groups. You can do it at groups menu. There is a full read and write. So you can make your own group. How? Plus, then we give it name, uh, for example, core. Then choose what the ports, what the policies that you want. For example, I choose local, SSH, FTP, read, policy, and inbox. And we apply. Okay, so there is a core group. How we can make the user with a core group? The way is same just like when we make the another user. Go to the user tab again, plus. For example, we give him name SMP. The group, we give him the group that we make, group core. The password is 135. 135. Then apply. Okay. Look, there is the user SMP with the group core that what we make. So only that what we can learn about user management. What is the benefits of the user management? So the benefit of the user management, if you work at a big company, the boss is have the full account. The boss can access all what can access the router as he want. Also, he can monitoring too what uh what his what his karyawan do. Also the karyawan on the boss will give the right account to his partners, because if the boss give them a full account to, it means they can doing configuration. Also they can add another user. It will be so dangerous. Also the read user is usually used for the customer. So if there is a customers want to see about the router, the boss or the company will give him a read account. So he only can see the configuration. Also he can see the user too. But he cannot do anything or editing this router or doing some configuration. So that's what's the benefits of the user management. Every groups have his own benefit. So the colors can make the sign of the group. The red is for the full group, the gray is for the read group, and the green is for the write group. So maybe just this what I can tell to you all. uh, I'm sorry there is many mistakes. And last I'm gonna say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.